Hello everyone, I am Ashar Adil with another video to help you speak English eloquently and precisely. In this video, I want to share with you 5 expressions that you can use to describe a person. When you are ready, let's get started. Number 1. Wet blanket. He is a wet blanket person. What does it mean? It means he discourages other person. Let's say you want to learn how to speak Spanish. Somebody comes and tells you, "Oh, you cannot learn how to speak Spanish. My one friend gave 5, 4, 6 years in learning how to speak Spanish, but he could not even understand basics." That's not possible for you either. See, he is discouraging you. So that kind of person is a wet blanket person. Well, the sooner you get rid of those wet blanket people, the better it is for you. So wet blanket person, he is a wet blanket person. Don't be wet blanket person. A person who discourages other people. Wet blanket. Number 2. Couch potato. Couch, sofa, potato, potato, vegetable. Couch potato is an expression you can say to a person who is very lazy. Typically a person who sits on sofa all the time, he does not do any activity, he does not go outside, he sits on sofa, watches TV, this is all he does. So he is a couch potato, a lazy person. He is also in bad shape, right? So couch potato person is a lazy person, a person who does not do a lot of physical activity, a person who sits on sofa, like I said before, and watches TV for long time. He is a couch potato. An interesting expression. Are you a couch potato? Well, in lockdown, many of us had no work to do, so I guess we did behave like a couch potato for quite many days. Couch potato. Number 3. Social butterfly. Social butterfly. He is a social butterfly. I have never seen a social butterfly like him. He is such a friendly person. Did you guess the meaning of social butterfly? A person who is very social, who is very friendly, a person who likes to talk to new people, a person who likes to connect with other people. So he is very social people. He is very social person, sorry. So he is a social butterfly. A person who is very social is a social butterfly. A social butterfly. Number 4. Joy killer. Time killer. A person who kills time, wasting time in doing nothing. Now here is the expression joy killer. A person who kills joy of other people. Let's say you are watching a match. Okay, IPL is going on. So you are watching a match. You are at very crucial point in match. Somebody from your family comes and changes the channel, right? And then what happens? You feel like, oh my God, why did you change the channel? You ask, and he says, nothing, I want to watch news, right? So that is the thing. He is a joy killer for you at that time. So joy killer is a person who kills joy of other people. You are in good mood, celebrating something, you are in a party, dance, song, having very good time with your friends. Somebody comes and kills joy. He is a joy killer. Can you name one person who is a joy killer in your life? Okay. Now here is the last one. Rotten to the core. Rotten to the core. You take an apple, Sometimes apple is just rotten on its upper side, but sometimes an apple is rotten to its core, its last, its ending root. So if an apple is rotten to the core, you cannot eat it. In the same way, if a person is rotten to the core, it means he is irreparable. Let's say a person who has lived a life in which he has made a lot of money from corruption, from dishonesty, from stealing, from taking advantage of other people and making money. So if a person has lived that kind of life, he is rotten to the core, probably. I'm not making the case that there is no point of return, but he is rotten to the core. There is no hope for him. I know this is very hard, but true. In society you can find that kind of people who are rotten to the core. So these were 5 expressions. Number 1, wet blanket. Number 2, couch potato. Number 3, social butterfly. Number 4, joy killer. Number 5, rotten to the core. I hope you found this video interesting. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.